Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 16 or 17? Why is my computer so slow? Okay, day 16 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. And as you can see, I'm back in New York. Yay! Um, I, 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 I got in really late after about 12 hours of flying and stuff like this. No, that's not true. Not 12 hours of flying, but just 12 hours of being in the airport and all this other stuff. So I'll make it up with another video, with a better Aruba video intro tomorrow. But also follow me on Instagram if you want to check out how that went. But anyway, yeah, let's do today's farm. Longest palindromic substring. Okay. Um, let's see. The first thing that I look for, to be honest, is the length. So that means that there's gonna be n square. There is the what's it called? Miniatures algorithm. That I don't know. I still kind of refuse to use. So, but I am gonna put it here. I think that's how you spell it, right? Yeah. So Google this if you like. For can't spell linear. Yeah, so that's basically the idea, but that's not. I don't think that is necessary here. So we can just do it in a naive way. Not sure why it's a medium, but I guess it's from way back when. But and also if it required a manager's algorithm, I don't think it's a medium per se. Though I don't know. It's just like like a very specific algorithm that I find is not very practical. Or like it's not worth my time to learn, and I still don't know it. If I am doing competitive, and I'm seeing that I need this, I would just Google it, and you can maybe say cheat a little bit. But that said, knowing the name of it is good enough for me because I don't know. I just don't find it that useful per se. But I guess you can say that about a lot of things. But that's just me, and I know what you're gonna ask. For some of you anyway, maybe not all of you, so maybe I don't know why I say it like that. But so yeah, so the question is, should I learn this for my interviews, right? My answer is going to be no. I actually am thinking about doing a video about these kind of weird, not weird, just like maybe advanced algorithms, if you want to call it that, but just these algorithms that are not fundamental per se, right? And the answer I would say for you, if you're still working it out, if you're still learning how to do DFS better, BFS better, dynamic programming better, binary search better, just regular sorting better, and all these other algorithms, right? There's probably a list somewhere. If you're still learning how to do them better, I would rather work on pushing those things better as well, right? Because look, the truth is, no one cares that, I mean, what you could even do like a conditional probability thing, right? Like, what are the chances that you're gonna get this on an interview and then you nail it out, and that you're able to know it enough to explain to the interviewer how and why and all this other stuff, right? I don't know. I have probably less than 1% in terms of just even getting this specific problem. And then the other question is, well, like, let's say you get let's even like just say you have a 50% chance of getting a BFS problem or a manager's algorithm problem, right? Well, the key thing there then is not to be average in both, because being average probably isn't good enough. Or maybe not average, but like an average interviewer maybe, or interviewee, sorry, not an average like engineer with a job or something. But if you're being average in two things, like that's not impressive, right? I'm just saying that's not my thing. But if you're like really good at BFS, then you have 50% chance of really impressing someone, right? Anyway, that's my spiel. That's why I still haven't used, or I think I've used it before, like once literally. But otherwise I just, and that time I Googled because I knew the name and I knew what to Google for. So I don't know. Take it as you will. Anyway, I will do this the naive way, which is for. I feel like I've done something like that. Maybe not this particular one, but I feel like I've done something like this in recently. But I think maybe there was one that was just like binary. But yeah. So basically, there are two types of palindromes, right? Sorry, if you were not thinking about Manager's algorithm and you're here just for the basics, then I will go over that right now. There's two type of palindromes, right? There's either an odd one, right? Like this is 5 characters is odd, so then the middle is the center, and then there's an even one, which is I guess like something like this, where the middle is in between characters, right? So that's basically the idea, and you could just brute force put both. Let's do for odd ones first. Then now, left is equal to center, right is equal to center, while left, well, let's make sure this is greater than, this is within bounds, and this is 10, and s of left is equal to s of right. Then we move left to the left, and we move right to the right. And then at the very end, we have a best. Here, I just noticed that we have to return a string, but that's okay. Are there multiple solutions? Huh. It doesn't say. I mean, it could have multiple solutions if it's like, even literally like A, B, right? It would have multiple solutions. It doesn't really say, so hopefully it doesn't come into play, but yeah. So then now, the length is equal to right minus left plus 1, right? You can kind of do the math. And then if L is greater than best, then best is equal to L, start is equal to left, right? And then even ones. So for center in range of n, left is equal to center, right? Oops. Did it the British way by accident. Center plus 1, and then you could here see that this is, because it goes up otherwise. And then basically the same thing here. Maybe we could do a little bit better with, code duplication, but for now, I'm going to just do this. And then at the very end, we just return s from left to left plus best. I think that's right-ish. I'm way bad at string thingies, so maybe that's off by 1, I don't know. Okay, that's not good. Did I miss? Oh, this is a D, not a B. I got confused. Okay, but that's okay. Maybe I did it off by 1. Oh, well, I'm silly. This is start. That's just a... I don't know if that fixes it, but hopefully that does. Okay, that does not, in fact. Huh. Oh, this is awkward. Because we don't check to begin with, so this may not be right. Okay, fine. I just have to be a little bit lazy. It's a little bit more checking, but I think this is fine. Also, this is wrong because now this is even. I copy and paste without thinking about it. I mean, and the sad thing was I was thinking about it while doing it, but then after I copied and paste, I forgot about it. Because then left, right. Oh no, this is... Let's see, am I doing this wrong? I think this one is the one with the plus 1, and this one is... Wait, am I right? Let's think about this, right? So these should be inclusive bounds. So if you add number, you have, say, 0 to 2, then that's 3 numbers, so that's plus 1. Here, this should be more right, actually, right? Because if you have now 0 and 1, it should have 2... No, I guess they both should have this. I'm just being silly. Yeah, because I was thinking about doing it off the center. But that said, I'm still really wrong for some reason. I need to do this after the check. That's 1. Man, very sloppy today. Sorry, friends. I just got off a very long trip, so that's my excuse. I have excuses for everything. But, oh, there you go. That was the funny thing is I made the same mistake on the bi-weekly Q4. I just had things in the wrong order and not paying attention, just going really fast because it is easy. And, as I said, it's the easy things that will get you. That's how I lost my drone. So anyway, let's give it a submit. Wow, I hope I don't get a wrong answer again. Why did I have wrong answers before? Okay, 807-day streak. Yay, yay, yay. This is going to be quadratic time and square and O of one space. I mean, the space part doesn't, we don't really use much space. Oh, I guess technically O of n for here, depending on how you want to say it. But other than the output, what did I do while here? Ow. Oh, I was trying to be cute before. I said the same thing last time too. Cool. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's just easy off by once. Cool. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. I'll see you later. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Goodbye and take care.